Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a little bit of a project share. It's this Tonic Studios backpack, rucksack, satchel. I think it's called a Tonic Satchel. It's a huge set of dies, and I still have some of them at my die cutting machine. It goes all the way. It's got the main piece and it's got the verso dies and lots of little accessories you can put with it. There's a lot you can do with this. It's got binding for a little mini album and really great step-by-step directions about how to put that together, and I'll probably do a video putting one together, but I made this for the very first time. I did make a mistake on here, or at least it's a mistake to me. This front pocket I put up too high, so I feel like this can't exactly sit how I want it to, but other than that I think it turned out pretty cute. I did a really simple version, so I just did a few of the I did some I can't remember if that's Maggie Holmes or just crepe paper. I think it's Maggie Holmes Sweet. I kept it really simple, so let me go ahead and show you. So this is the front. It's got the little backpack handles, and the mechanisms that they have are these little butterfly clasps. So you pinch them. I can't really do it holding it. So you pinch them and then you pull this up like that, and then that is loose now. So same here, you pinch, bring it up. So you want to use a sturdy cardstock because that's obviously going to get opened and closed a lot. And then in the front I did the same thing. Now you could make this just decoration and you could use Velcro or whatever behind here if you didn't want to fuss with this, but no biggie. I can just, not a one-handed thing. So pull that up, and then like this, pulling that up. It's a little sticky from my recent gluing here. So once you have it all open like that, it opens to this little mini album pockets inside here. So it's really cute, and I put a little panel on each one with some of that paper. That, trying to show it without making too many shadows here. Magical Forest, that's what some of this is, but very cute, and I liked this color paper with it because it made it look like what it was. So in the front, you know, like a backpack, leather type look. So you could put little tags and things in this front pocket here. You could put pockets and paper on the inside. Again, like I just did a super simple one. First time I make something, I make it sort of the basic because I feel like I want to know how to put it together. So it holds 4 if you do the binding like this. It's got these 2 binding pieces that go next to each other, and then you lower these envelopes down on here. The bottom's open, and then you glue it on there. It's very easy to put together. It's and then you can make like little inserts from the other dies that come in here, and then you could put pictures on here like that, or you could do like journaling things, but you could put tags and things in there. You could put whatever you want in there, but they're little cute pockets. And some of these parts can be used in other mini albums as well, so that's what's nice about that. So you could decorate the inside more. You could put another pocket on the back. You could put a panel of designer paper on the back. It also comes with this handle, which I put there, and it even has a little bit of embossing there. And then I just used some, I'm not going to touch them because they're drying, some Nuvo drops to kind of look like little, you know, hardware there. So yeah, it would be perfect to me if this were just a bit down. So my suggestion to you, if you have this die, is make sure the bottom of this pocket is almost down to the bottom of the backpack, and I think that would be a little bit better. I may take these off and cut a little bit off and re-glue them, and then that will fix the problem, but in future I will move that down. So very, very cute. It's a great die. Normally I don't like to do a lot of huge projects, like really easy things, to be honest, and when I design something I design it with that in mind, but I feel like it's a lot of parts. I'll just let you know it's a lot of die cutting. It took me, of course you have to die cut 2 of these pieces, the 2 little straps here. This is a piece here, this is a piece. You have to do like 4 of these butterflies. have to do this pocket piece, and then if you're doing any layering, you have to do that. For each one of these pockets, you're gluing 2 of these pieces together. So that's 2, 4, 6, 8. And then I put pattern paper on there. So to own the truth, it's a lot of die cutting, so you gotta like die cutting to do it. But it wasn't bad. I mean, if you just do it kind of all at once and then assemble, I think it goes pretty smoothly. So while I'm yakking here, I'm gonna put this back together. So again, on the sides, just to show you the mechanism, so you put the flap down, and then you pinch the little butterfly and slide it through like that, and that just holds it closed. Very cute. Looks cute too, right? So again, flap. I have to do it this way because I'm right-handed, but flap, pinch, put that through. That, and again in the front. And you could, like I said, just make these decor, and once you put this butterfly, I didn't put the whole thing through. Once you put that butterfly through, you can glue it that way, and then just use Velcro on the back of the circular piece, and then just use it like that, or magnets. That would be if you didn't want to fuss with these butterflies, but mechanism here. And then it is all ready to go, and it makes a really cute gift. And even if you didn't put the mini album part in there, if you just left it open without the little binding pieces, it makes a cute little gift bag, right? Or an explosion box type idea, because you can open it and you can put maybe I don't know, some sort of a 3D die that you have, like that would fit. It just would have to be a little less than this width. So so there are many things I think that you could do with that. You could put little nail polishes in there, you can put chocolates, you can put little tea bags and things, and you could put pockets on the inside with tea bags and chocolates and honey sticks and all sorts of things you could do. I think it's really cute. And if you do this in like Christmas colors or wintry colors, you could definitely make some fun gifts, certainly back to school gifts if we ever get back to school. I homeschool, so we school year round, so we're still in school, but for those of you who go to a school, they make cute little teacher gifts, gifts for classmates, gifts for teachers' aides and tutors and all that sort of thing. But yeah, super fun. So I thought I'd show that to you. If I can get around to it, I will assemble one on a video and post that at a later date, but I just wanted to show you, inspire you, if you have that die or thinking about that die, that maybe that's just another video idea that you can have there if you're looking for some inspiration. But anyway, hopefully you enjoy that. Thanks so much for stopping by. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and have a great day.